day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to share files easily between Android device to Windows PC without wireless. It is 100% free. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, first and foremost, from my laptop or desktop, just open Chrome browser and just type nearby share download. So I have given the description link, that is original Android beta versions is given, the new nearby share beta app for Windows. So directly it will open here. So I have given the description link, just click the link. That link will direct you to the get started with beta will be there. So it will download your application, that is nearby share beta for Windows. It is totally 100% free. You can download without any other software, without your cable and without any other things. You can transfer your entire files from Android to Windows. You want to take a backup, you want to take important files, you can use that. Yes, my application is downloaded successfully. Just double click on that, automatically it will install in your laptop. My application is installed successfully in my laptop, nearby share beta version. So I have keep it there. So this is my application using without account, or you can sign in with your Gmail account. Just click using without account. So I have given a visibility for Martin and sending, receiving. So if you want to receive means you need to enable this option. So just hit the button receiving, choose who can share the file. Because of the security reason, just hit the button. So choose who can share. Just click here, everyone contacts your device or no one. So just click everyone, but because you want to enable this option means you can connect. Use everyone mode temporary or keep everyone mode online. So anytime you can, it will have a few minutes or it may be a stop, or if you want to permanently, if you want to share the file means you can keep this one. So you can choose and you can disable afterwards. Yes, I have enabled this option. Just click a done option. So now system notification are off, so it will searching the entire files. Yes, from my Android mobile phone, I just open a file and any other photographs, anything else. I just choose some files over there. So I just want to share this file. What I have to do here, just choose the file, whatever files you want, you can choose. On top you will find option called share button. Just hit the share button, you will have WhatsApp and email, everything. There will be a nearby option. Just hit the button nearby. Once you hit the nearby, automatically it will show you Martin PC. Just hit Martin PC, automatically my account will be start over there to receive the file. So in my PC it will ask you for accept your images. So wants to share 3 images, just hit the button accept. Automatically my files will be downloaded over here. Just hit the button open, automatically my images will be open here. So I've downloaded the files over there. So what are the images in my laptop? In my Android mobile phone has everything will be downloaded in my system. So without any other software, using nearby application. So if you want to keep everyone mode on, just disable means automatically it will disable, so that it will be easy to have access. So use this nearby share beta from Google and transfer your entire files from PC to Android and Android to PC. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.